so I am back from Malaysia and I bought some stuff, not a lot of stuff. Now, I didn't have a lot of time to shop on this trip because it was a work trip and I wasn't really shopping that much. So just the first day and the last day. I got some stuff, so here's what I got. So this is the first thing that I bought, these floaters from H&M. So this was on my first day. I was walking around this mall called Pavilion, which is one of the nicest malls in KL. And I saw these, they were very orange. I really liked them. And I thought they would be nice on the trip as well, just to have like, you know, an easy pair to like walk around in. They were super comfy and not very expensive. So yeah, got these. Up next, we have this beautiful necklace. Now, this was actually not something I bought. It was a gift from the Bidayu tribe. We spent the day with them in Sarawak, which is a region in Borneo in Malaysia. And they made these beautiful necklaces, which are their tribe colors, red, white and black. And I really love this choker, so I picked this one. They told us to pick whatever we wanted. And yeah, I really love this one. And I'm not putting the prices of all things, obviously, like this, because there is no price to this. But I will try and put all the prices that I remember. So yeah, got this. Then I also got these. Now these are bracelets again from Sarawak. I bought these actually in the city of Kuching on my last day there. I had a couple of hours and I was walking around, and these were, I remember, 15 ringgits for 3 of them. And I thought I would give them as gifts, but I think I'm gonna keep them. Now, fashion-wise, I bought a few things on my last day, but these were more of an SOS purchase, okay? So I was in Penang, I think somewhere like midway into the trip, and I thought I might not have enough clothes like on the trip. It was 18 days. So I went to the mall to just get some like SOS basic stuff as extra. This was from a random store that had a great deal, which was any 3 tops for 99 Malaysian ringgit. So I got these 3, okay? So this was number 1. Just a nice stripe, little strappy crop top. The next one I got was this, which I didn't end up wearing on the trip, but I thought was really cute. It's like that fake shirt and vest combo, you know what I mean? Like it's not really a full shirt. And it's like a little cropped short vest. Looks really cute. I thought it like looked very Korean and had a very Korean K-drama vibe, which is why I honestly bought it. But yeah, this is very cute. Then we have this t-shirt come flowy shirt type situation. Just a nice basic white that, you know, I'll get a lot of use out of. And yeah, as I said, these were not like fashion purchases. They were more like an SOS. So yeah, got these 3. Up next, we have something Malaysian, okay? So I bought this sarong, which is like a skirt. It's a stitch thing and you just tuck it in. It is a batik print, not actual batik, but like, yeah, very Malaysian. It was orange and it was calling out to me. And I thought it'd be great to have to wear as a skirt or to wear to the beach. Just really comfy, really nice, and it was inexpensive. So I thought it's a nice thing to take back as, you know, something Malaysian that I will use. Now this is, I think, my favorite purchase. It's a really long, oversized green dress. Again, very Korean. There was a store in Central Market and, you know, it was very like K-drama-ish, everything, all the outfits. But I felt like this is something I would wear a lot and it's very me, nice and oversized. So I got this. Then we have 2 items from Bershka. I always love to go to Bershka when I'm traveling because we don't have Bershka here yet. Hopefully we will have it soon. I bought this cute little black skirt from Bershka, which was 139 ringgit. Not cheap, but I feel like a black skirt is something you will end up using quite a bit. Now I bought this on the last day, so have not used it on the trip. But yeah, you could use it while you're traveling or just here for summer. Just really cute with this cute little cargo pocket in the front. So got this. Again, the whole cargo trend is really back and everyone is wearing a lot of cargos. So I bought these black jeans from Bershka, which were 199 ringgit, which is probably the most expensive item I bought as part of the haul, I think. It has like nice cargo pockets here, white stitching and black proper denim. Like these are not pants, these are jeans. And yeah, I just thought it'd be nice because I don't really have anything like this. And we used to wear a lot of cargo pants in the 90s. So yeah, I'm glad it's making a comeback. Up next, I made a quick stop at Victoria's Secret. So they always have really great deals on underwear. You know, they're like, we can get 3 for a certain amount or 4 for a certain amount. So this was 4 for a certain amount. I love to get their basics, especially the seamless ones like this. So yeah, I got a basic black seamless, got the nude thong seamless. This is like a must get for anyone who wants a nice seamless thong. They do a really good one. And just some other basics like the cheeky shorts and another basic black. So yeah, they have these great deals where you can get 4 for a certain amount, 3 for a certain amount. So yeah, just got stocked up on some basics, which really are worth it when you're traveling. So make sure you do this next time you see a VS when you're traveling. Now, coming to beauty and some random stuff which you will see. I bought this tint. This is the Pretty Orange Pink Ink by a brand called Peri Pera, which was at the Guardian Pharmacy. I saw a lot of it and I thought I'd just get it as an alternate to like my Bene tint and my Dear Darling tint, because I was pretty much wearing tint every day on my lips. So yeah, it's a nice orangey color. This was not very cheap. As far as I remember, it was 45 Malaysian ringgit, but yeah, it's quite potent and it lasts quite a bit. So yeah, got this. Then we have the Biore sunscreen that I've been seeing for a while and a lot of people have been talking about this. I saw this in KL in a Japanese store and it was on a massive discount, so I thought I would get it. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and let you know how this is. Then we have one of my favorite fragrances of all time, Chance by Chanel. So I bought the travel one. You can only usually get these at airports, I think, at duty free. So whenever you see this, get it. It comes with like the refills as well, and it's really nice because it's under 100 ml, so you don't really need to remove it from your bag when you're traveling. That is why I kind of love to have this. I've had this in my bag for years. I kind of ran out of it in the pandemic and stopped. So as soon as I was leaving here, actually this was the first thing I bought because I bought this at Mumbai airport on my way when I saw it. And yeah, it just smells divine. Now, the random stuff I was talking about is here. Okay, so these are cool patches. Now, I discovered these for the first time on this trip. I did not know they existed. They are actually for fever, but like they work really, really well if you have a headache or a migraine as well. And we were shooting one day in the sun, like on jet skis for 6 hours. And then when we got back, I had this terrible migraine and they gave me one of these patches to just like cool my head off. And it felt so good that I bought like a box to bring them back, because they just feel like, you know, like a very like tingly, like how you put like balm and stuff on your head, but like icy cold, and it worked wonders. So yeah, if you can get your hands on these, stock up. So as usual, I got a lot of food. I absolutely love Malaysian food. Like I was very excited to go back. Like when I shot like the first season of the show, I was there for 2 weeks. This time I was there for 2 weeks again, and every single day I ate Malaysian food and I loved it. Okay, so I bought back a whole bunch of pastes and sauces and all of that, starting with some pepper from Sarawak. It is known for its white pepper and black pepper. So yeah, got some pepper for the house. Then we have some sambal. I bought this one from a supermarket in KL. Unfortunately, last time I bought it from a restaurant, which was really yummy. So I hope this one is good. Sambal is like a really nice, spicy, like a chutney with anchovies and stuff, kind of like how we have achar with dal and stuff. Similar to that. So I used to eat it with dal, with a lot of like fried stuff. It tastes really, really yummy. So got some. Then we have some Sarawak laksa. So laksa, like we've all had laksa, which comes like in like a, coconutty curry, really, really yummy. And Sarawak apparently makes the best laksa. So I had some there, which was really yummy, but I also got the paste to make some here. Then obviously I bought a lot of the curry paste. So this one is a meat curry paste. This one is nasi kandar, which is a chicken curry, which we had a lot while I was there. So kind of like similar how you make like your Thai curry with the paste, similar way to kind of make these, but they're really, really yummy. Also got this fried rice paste. Now, Malaysian rice is really, really nice, and it's got all this like chatpat masala and flavors, unlike your regular fried rice, and I really like that. So got one packet to kind of see if I can recreate that here. And last but definitely not the least, rendang paste. So rendang is my favorite, I think, Malaysian dish, and it's kind of like how we have dal, where everybody has their own version, each house has their own version, each restaurant has their own version. So yeah, got two different companies to try both, because yeah, why not? So guys, those are all the things I bought from Malaysia. I had a really nice trip, and now we are back to regular programming from here. Comment below and tell me what your favorite item from my haul was. See you guys. Bye.